Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Skullcandy Crusher, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Skullcandy Crusher headphones, first, ensure that they are charged. Locate the power button on the right ear cup. Press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt indicating the headphones are powered on. Next, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone or device. Open the settings menu and select the Bluetooth option. Ensure that Bluetooth is switched on and your device is in pairing mode. Now, on your Skullcandy Crusher, press and hold the power button until the LED light starts blinking blue and red. This indicates that your headphones are in pairing mode. Look for Skullcandy Crusher in the list of available devices on your smartphone. Select Skullcandy Crusher to initiate the connection. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation voice prompt in your headphones. The LED indicator will stop blinking and remain a solid blue. Test the connection by playing some audio through the headphones. Adjust the volume to your preference using the controls on the left ear cup. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the headphones are within range of the device. Restart both the headphones and your device if necessary. You are now ready to enjoy your Skullcandy Crusher headphones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.